Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting access and permissions. Sign in to the Xbox app on your phone using the same Microsoft account as the console, and make sure the console is online or set to Instant On. Once done, open Console Settings, go to System then Updates and Downloads, and enable remote installs and automatic updates so your phone can trigger game installs. This step ensures control and avoids failed transfers. You need both app access and console readiness before proceeding to launch updates from your phone. Now you take action. Open the Xbox app and navigate to My Library or Game Pass to find the game you want to update. Tap the game, use the three-dot menu and choose Manage, then select Update or Install on your console. This sends a remote install command. Make sure to check the console queue in the app to confirm the job queued successfully. If multiple downloads are running, adjust queue order so critical updates download first, because the console prioritizes queued items sequentially. Finish by verifying progress. Watch the install status on the app or directly on the console and allow the update to complete. If the update stalls, restart the console remotely or power cycle it, then try the remote install again. Make sure your phone's app is up to date and your console has enough storage. If not, free space by removing unused games. One key troubleshooting tip: if installs repeatedly fail, sign out and back into the app, and confirm the console is online and not in full power-off mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.